Very pleasant out there, looking at lots of sunshine and those warm temperatures as well. As we're going to take a look at those temperature readings across the South Plains. We're looking at 84 here in Lubbock, still low to mid 80s across the South Plains, with Friona and Dimmitt currently at 81 degrees, still 86, a little warmer off to the south and west in Seminole. But main story is very warm afternoon, and we're only going to see those temperatures get a little hotter as we go throughout the rest of this week, due to that ridge beginning to build in across the region. Although we will see some moisture come back into the South Plains under that ridge, which we're also looking at those west-northwest storms over the next few nights or so. Very big struggle. Some of those may not even make it into the South Plains region, but we'll continue to keep tab on that for you. But the main headline will be stay cool and hydrated over the next few days or so. Current check on regional satellite and radar image currently showing those clear skies across the South Plains, but beginning to notice the high clouds off to the north into the northwest, and then right behind that, yes, some storms beginning to fire up across northern and northeastern New Mexico and portions of Colorado. Right now, the general flow of the atmosphere is off from is that northwest to southeast flow. But however, the dynamics here across the South Plains don't look very good for those storms to make it down here, but with the exception of our far northwestern counties in eastern New Mexico. But the other main story nationally is, yes, Tropical Storm Colin, currently still beginning to push onshore across the Florida Panhandle and northern Florida right now. Look at all the precipitation out across the Florida Peninsula all the way up into the Carolina coastline. It's currently packing winds right around 50 miles per hour, so at least a weak tropical storm, but the heavy rainfall flooding threat will be the main concern. Even some isolated tornadoes as that track takes it into Florida and right up the Carolina coast all the way into the northern Atlantic over the next few days or so. So something those folks down there will have to contend with. And just if you have any family members, or check those flights if you have them going into the southeast, because those will be impacted from Colin. Now, regional forecast for our area as far as rainfall goes doesn't look too good. Again, that northwest flow trying to bring those storms in by early tomorrow morning. Not looking too good. Models have now beginning to decrease that coverage, and I agree with that. Most of that will stay out across New Mexico, and our far northwestern counties could not rule out an isolated storm or a shower, but much of that will have a very hard time making it into Lubbock or the I-27 corridor. So most of us will stay dry tonight, waking up tomorrow morning with a little bit of sunshine after some clouds, and then again that northwest flow comes back with us as we head into early Wednesday morning, and then clearing out once again as we head into the day on Wednesday. So as we take a look at temperature forecast, though, heading into tomorrow morning, yeah, we're starting out the day in those low to mid 60s from Lubbock and points to the south and to the east, and again to the north and west. We're starting off in those low 60s, and then by Tuesday afternoon, we're seeing those temperatures warm at a few degrees warmer than what we're seeing today in those upper 80s, 87 here in Lubbock, and those upper 80s, low 90s off the Caprock. But by Wednesday morning, starting off the day much in the same way, still another mild morning in those low to mid 60s. So a good day to get out and get that jog in. Now by Wednesday afternoon or so, we're looking at those temperatures again a few degrees hotter than Tuesday. We're looking at upper 80s, even some lower 90s back here on the map. Now rainfall totals, though. Rainfall changes, as we head into this weekend, though. That's when the pattern begins to change just a little bit. As that ridge begins to break down, we'll begin to notice storm chances once again creeping into the area as we head into Sunday and Monday. We're looking at now models showing up to about a quarter of an inch here across the South Plains, but something we will continue to watch for you over the coming days. For tonight here in the metro, we'll see temperature right around 62 degrees, few clouds, light southeast winds around 40 to 10 miles per hour. Your few day forecast next 3 days. Again, that ridge begins to build in across the area. We're looking at those temperatures warming into those lower 90s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then this weekend, looking okay for the Texas Tech Super Regional Baseball forecast. It's here in Lubbock. But by Sunday and Monday, that's when we're talking about the storm chances once again. So our hopes are that the rain holds off at bay until the rain begins to start. But bottom line is stay hydrated, stay cool this week with those temperatures around 90 degrees.